You ever bought a product on Amazon because it had great ratings and then you get it and it's a piece of trash? That could be because early on, the company's owner had all of his friends and family go on and gave it great reviews. As it turns out, the herd can be manipulated. My name is Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and IvyMasters.com. Today we're going to look at Test 5, Section 1, number 36, which reads, which actions would best address a question Watts raises about the study? So we go to the part where Duncan Watts is talking, which is right here. Network scientist at Microsoft Research in New York City agrees with that conclusion. And before we get the conclusion, they're more willing to go along with the positive opinions from other people, which is what I was saying in my intro. But one question is whether the positive herding bias is specific to this site or true in general, because they only did a study on one website. Watt says, he points out that the category of news items in the experiment had a strong effect on how people could be manipulated. I would have thought that business is pretty similar to economics, yet they find a much stronger effect, almost 50% stronger, for the former than the latter. What explains the differences? If we're going to apply these findings in the real world, we need to know the answers. So there's actually two possibilities for an answer. One is based on whether or not it's specific to the site. Is the bias specific to the site? And the second is, what is the difference? What explains the difference between category of news and how much those results could be manipulated? It's got to be one of those two answer choices. So sometimes you see on the SAT there's more than one possibility for an answer, but there's only going to be one listing there for the correct answer. Answer choice A, provide fewer fake positive comments. That doesn't have anything to do with, he's not addressing whether we need more or fewer positive comments to figure anything out. Answer choice B, using multiple websites to collect ratings. So it looks like that's going to be our answer. It's going to be our answer based on what? Based on the first thing he says. Is the positive herding bias specific to this site? Well, if you use multiple websites, then that could give us the answer to that question. Requiring users to register on the website before voting. That would be, are they real users or not? But he doesn't address that. Informing users that voting data are being analyzed. And that would be maybe to get them to take it more seriously or something, but you can see that there's direct evidence for answer choice B. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with this. Just pretty much, it's no line reference, no paired question. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.